Unboxing the LCD screen for i-Kiosk 100. Unscrew the 3 screws at the back of the i-Kiosk 100 by using a screwdriver. Remove the back cover. Unplug the connector for antenna, speaker, LED, and keypad PCB from the main controller unit. Remove the core board from the main controller unit. At the function keypad PCB, release all the flexi flat cable connector ledges by using the screwdriver, and remove the flexi flat cables. Unscrew the 4 screws holding the function keypad PCB. Replace the LCD screen with a new one. Connect all the flexi flat cables back to the function keypad PCB. Tighten all 4 screws to hold the function keyboard PCB firmly. Plug in the keypad PCB connector back to the main controller unit. Attach the core board firmly onto the main controller unit. Plug in the LED, speaker, and antenna cable back to the main controller unit. Place the back cover back to its original position. Tighten the 3 screws. Plug in the power connector and turn on the terminal to test it. FingerTec, we make things easy.